I'm here to show you in 1 minute how to install these NITROLIFT gas struts so that you can have a bonnet that goes up and down by itself and you don't have to use this anymore. This is them here, made in Australia, pretty good product. And this is the gas strut, what you get in the kit. 2 struts, 2 of these mounts, one has left, one has right on it, and 2 of these. For this, you're going to need a 10mm and a 12mm and about a $200 worth of Milwaukee products. And you should be able to get it undone easy. Step number 1, lift up your bonnet. Step number 2, pull these little rubber grommets off. Going to need to grab off this little rubber grommet, undo this here. Take this off. Left one, pretty easy. Left one goes on the left side. So make sure you wipe underneath it. Make sure there's no gunk under there. Nice and tight. Kicked over a little bit. Alright, so this one, make sure this bit here is inboard, otherwise it's going to hit your body panel. Just going to undo this. Pretty easy.
The bonnet's so lovely.
Don't forget to put it through the mount first.
Through the
Not
mount.
like me. That was silly.
Very, very silly.
Go, one done. I'm going to try a different method. I'm going to put this on before I actually get to the second one. That way it's all ready to go. Pull this here so it doesn't get pinched. There we go. Put that back through there. Grab one of these. Clip it on that end. Oh, clip it on that end with a little bit of pressure. Clip it on this end with a little bit of pressure. Clip. There's one. Even one holds it up by itself.
Wow.
If you need to take these off, all you do is pull this little clip up here. Comes off easy as. That's it. Few easy steps. You got yourself a nice closing bonnet. Check that it closes, that you haven't put it in the right way. Make sure nothing hits. All looks good. And there you go. Perfect. Job well done. This is my review. Open it there. Pop it up. I'm barely holding it up at this stage. I've let go.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful. Works really good. Now I can access all this area. Don't have to worry about any of this. Thanks for watching. Come to my channel. Watch some other cool stuff. We go forward driving. Got some other mods. See you guys on the next one.